Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best help desk software that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Quick Key Keyboard Mousepad by TurboTax. This ultra-budget option is not your conventional help desk software, but it's a unique tool that makes your workflow more efficient with printed software shortcuts for office programs like Word and Excel. Measuring 11.8 times 31.5 inches, it provides ample space for your keyboard and mouse, while also ensuring the non-slip experience thanks to its dense anti-slip rubber backing. The design is simple yet functional, with a clear shortcut key pattern that makes it ideal for beginners or anyone who frequently uses office software. The stitched edges ensure durability, so you won't have to worry about fraying, even with extended use. While it lacks the features of traditional help desk software, it's a great complement to your desk setup, especially if you're on a tight budget. The Quick Key Mousepad is perfect for students, remote workers, and anyone looking for a low-cost productivity boost. However, its utility is limited to its physical design. It won't help you with ticketing systems or IT troubleshooting. For under $8 though, it's hard to beat for what it is. Pros include affordability, a useful design, and durability, while the primary con is its limited scope of functionality. Coming in at number 4 is ADefHelpDesk 4 by Michael Washington. This isn't a software per se, but instead a comprehensive guidebook that helps you install, operate, and extend an open-source .NET Core Angular help desk application. If you're a developer or a technically inclined individual, this resource is invaluable for setting up a fully customizable ticketing system for your organization. The book is well-written and structured, making it easy to follow along even if you're relatively new to .NET Core and Angular. It covers everything from installation to extending the application to meet your specific needs. While the book doesn't come with the software itself, the open-source nature of the application means you can access and modify it for free once you've learned the ropes. This guide is perfect for small businesses, IT professionals, or developers looking to create a custom help desk solution without paying for expensive licenses. The pros include its cost-effectiveness, detailed instructions, and flexibility. On the downside, it requires a technical background, so it's not ideal for non-tech-savvy users. Overall, it's a valuable resource for the right audience. At number 3, we have the Waterproof Mousepad with Excel Cheat Sheet by Meerspit. This desk pad is larger than life, literally at 35.45 times 15.75 inches. It's designed not just to enhance your desk layout, but also to improve your productivity with a printed Excel shortcut guide that includes tips for other office software as well. The build quality is impressive, with a non-slip rubber base and double-stitched edges for added durability. The advanced inkjet technology ensures the graphics are sharp and vibrant, and the smooth, waterproof surface is easy to clean. While it's technically not software, the cheat sheet layout makes it a handy tool for office professionals and data analysts who spend hours working with spreadsheets. This product is ideal for anyone who wants a physical reference for common keyboard shortcuts, particularly those working in finance or data-heavy roles. The pros include its large size, high-quality materials, and multifunctional design, while the cons are its limited utility for software-based help desk needs. It's a niche product, but a great one for the right user. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have Norton Ultimate Help Desk Single Use. This one-time support service is perfect for those moments when you need expert help with a technical issue but don't want the hassle of bringing your device to a repair shop. It covers one device and offers a wide range of support for computers, tablets, mobile phones, routers, and even smart home devices like thermostats and cameras. What sets this service apart is its flexibility and convenience. Norton experts are available 24/7 via phone or online chat, and they can even remotely access your device to resolve issues. Whether you need help with virus removal, software troubleshooting, or setting up a home network, this service has you covered. It's particularly cost-effective compared to in-home services, making it a great choice for one-off tech emergencies. The pros are its convenience, broad device compatibility, and expert-level support. The main con is that it's a one-time service, so you'll need to pay again for future issues. Overall, if you need quick, reliable tech support, Norton Ultimate Help Desk is an excellent option. Finally, at number 1, we have the TurboTax Home and Business 2024 tax software by Intuit. While this might seem like an unusual choice for a help desk review, TurboTax excels at simplifying one of the most daunting tasks for small business owners: tax preparation. It's designed for self-employed individuals, freelancers, and small business owners who want to ensure their taxes are done right. With features like 5 federal e-files, state filing, and a robust deduction finder, TurboTax takes the guesswork out of tax season. The software is always up to date with the latest tax laws, and it even includes an audit risk meter to help you minimize the chance of an IRS audit. For Mac users, note that this version requires macOS Ventura 13 or Sonoma 14. TurboTax is the ultimate time saver for entrepreneurs who value accuracy and efficiency. Its pros include comprehensive features, ease of use, and excellent customer support. The only real con is its price point, which may be steep for some. But if you value peace of mind during tax season, TurboTax is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.